So we are going to use the polyline today, just for practice, just to get some type of a logo into the CAD file that you need to make. So one of the very first things that you need to do is pull up a image file. So we're going to go to um, Google here just to do a quick Google search, and we're going to basically type in clip art. Now, I'm using clip art black and white just to pull up an image. You can pull up anything that is a logo. You can more or less do whatever you want in terms of creating an image. So if you've got a sports team, you can use a sports team. You can, if you've got a favorite video game that you like, you can use a video game image. But the main thing here that we are trying to do is find a black and white image of something that we're going to use the polyline on to kind of create. So in this case, as I kind of come through here, it doesn't matter to me. Let's just pick this hamster here. So I'm going to click on that, and we will right click and go ahead and save image as. Now we need to double check. So in order to do this, you need a JPEG or a bitmap or some type of a file, a picture file type image. So this one is a cute hamster face, black, white online. It's a JPEG image. So I'm good to go with that. So I'm going to go ahead and save this into my downloads, or save it onto the desktop, wherever you need to save it. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and save it onto my desktop right now, so that I have that. Now, that is all that you need to do. So, if I wanted to say, all right, let me go to let's say I was wanted to do something with G.I. Joe comic book related. So I could come in here, G.I. Joe clip art, black and white, find one of these images that I can, and don't make it too complicated. So you want something that's going to be fairly easy to draw, because if you go something like this, it's going to take you a long time. So kind of consider that. So I could also say, all right, well, maybe I don't like that. I want to go to Star Wars here. So let's see what Star Wars are. All right, so I've got plenty of different types of images that I can do as a clip art. I don't know, maybe you want to use your school mascot or some other type of mascot. Let's go to the uh, um, some type of a band image. So whatever band that you might like to play, or in this case, I could also say the Chicago Cubs. So and I can use any of these type of logos to do this. So you just kind of hover over the logo, right click, save image as, and so long as it is a PNG is fine, a JPEG, a bitmap, so long as it is actually a image file, you can use that to get it taken care of and get it saved. All right. So that's the first step for today's polyline assignment that you need to do. So find yourself some type of a image of something that you would like to draw.